Model, 2016 Vauxhall Vivaro 29001.6 CDTI, 115, L1H1 needs turbo replacement camper. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 104,420. MOT, the 24th of September 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6115 PSE 5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. This is a straightforward turbo replacement job. The engine, clutch and gearbox are fine. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call